So the truck is being unloaded right now as we speak. It will go into our freezer, and then our partner agencies, we work with about 355 of them in Central Texas, will be able to order this product online and distribute this food to those that they serve in Central Texas. So it'll go to our soup kitchens and our food pantries and our kids cafes and all of those programs that help to nourish children in Texas.
We'll take that food from our system and deliver it to people and families who are in need all across Central Texas.
Excited to be here today. It's a beautiful day in Texas, here in South by Southwest, and just, David, I can't tell you how much we appreciate the work that you do. You do God's work, getting food out to the agencies and feeding hungry people.
It's exciting to have all these entities and groups and individuals who went online and pledged. In the end, it's all about putting food in front of people who otherwise wouldn't have it. This is social media doing social good, and we're excited to be a part of it.
There are 34 million people who are at risk of hunger, 13 million of them children in the United States. So, once you grasp that fact, it's much easier to get involved in this issue, and that's what we're trying to do.